Pine-YouGuang Reflective Materials Company Limited, established in 2014, specializes in various types of high-performance reflective materials many years. As a manufacturer, we are specialized in manufacturing reflective material for clothing industry, such as reflective webbing, reflective fabric, reflective PVC tape, reflective yarn, reflective piping, reflective badge, reflective heat transfer film, reflective HTV segmented tape, reflective spandex fabric, reflective leather, reflective flame retardant fabric, and so on. Products are exported to Europe, the United States, Southeast Asia. Our company adheres to provide good products and service to create benefits. Our factory covered 3,500 square meters, over 10 production lines, more than 60 staffs, with excellent sales team, domestic sales team, and overseas sales team, more than 20 different machines to suit different clients' requirement. Having our own designer, quick response for samples order to help our customers to win their order, and our QC team to make sure the quality. We've met hundreds of clients satisfactory. Our reflective products are suitable for sew-on, heat lamination. With different requirements of reflective coefficient and washing times, our products are applicable to different kinds of safety products, such as garments, tents, bags, and so on. We have certificates of ISO 9001, ISO 45001, ISO 14001, SGS test certificates, REACH, to meet our customers' requirements.
Here is our reflective fabric, and for the material is the 100% polyester and the TC-based fabric. And here is the reflective heat transfer film, and also the reflective piping here. And the final, I will show you here is this line is the 3M Scotch-lit reflective material. So next I will show you and take you to visit our production line to see where they're made. So let's go.
Welcome to YouGuang.